Okay, we are live guys. Market breakdown. Let's first look at DAX and see what we have in dollar index, how we're looking for the day. As far as dollar index is concerned, we're still bearish. Uh, our goal is to reach some of these zones here in around 83, 88, 72, 88, 75 zone, somewhere there. What can we see? Where is my drawing to? Okay, so we had this impulse. What went on? We had this impulse leg and correction, break out of the trend that was the corrective trend upward, and now we are going to retest this block right here, and from here we can see it slump and go down. So we're waiting for confirmations, and if we can see this play out, weakness on the side of the dollar, that will mean a lot of things for us. So we're watching the dollar index closely, trying to see what happens. The other thing you can want to check out is the 10-year note, right? 10 year 10-year treasury bill. Hey, okay, 10, 10-year treasury bill, NT. Uh-huh. Mhm. Treasury. Mm-hmm. Here we go. So this is, we go with the continuous one. Mm-hmm. So how are we looking on the US bonds? What do I have? Okay, I think let me get rid of that. Awesome. So as far as the bonds are concerned, we are bearish, and if that's the case, we can see the DAX also joining the bearish trend to the downside. So we're expecting weakness on the side of the dollar for this week. And that being said, if the dollar is weak, what should we be doing? We should be looking to sell these, looking to buy them. But things don't always happen like that, and trading is not that easy, guys. It's not that easy. So what do we have on GBP USD? GBP USD is making this move to the downside. Uh, as far as we're concerned, the dollar is still strong at the moment. We have not seen any confirmations on the dollar index. So we'll be watching this zone right here and see how price reacts when it gets here. Most likely, as price approaches this zone, we're gonna see it begin to develop a corrective nature, and from there we can be looking for buy opportunities. That's as far as that is concerned. But the most lucrative pairs, as far as I'm concerned, for this week is Bitcoin and gold. So what do we have as far as Bitcoin is concerned? Um, we've been bearish. We've been extremely bearish. And if we can break above this zone, I'm calling the AR. So I'm saying still bearish, no sign of strength. That's SOW, sign of strength. But we just poked it, showing the sign of strength. And now what we should be looking for is a minor retracement. Let me get rid of that one play out. So we can be looking for a retracement to this zone, and we'll be looking to buy from here. Why? Because if we take a Fibonacci from this zone to that, that's where the 50% really is, the 618 in this block, and everything else belongs.